Something similar to Cype we have at Cypeplumbing. Let me show you here. Let's open the Cype menu again. Let's go to MEP Cypeplumbing. Let's open the software. You see that Cypeplumbing have this shorter name now that is just Cypeplumbing, okay? Because here now we have some tools that were integrated. Okay, so let me open one project that you understand what is happening here. Okay, if we open the BIMserver.center platform, okay, let's open the BIMserver.center platform today. During the launch of this version, you see that here in the platform, if we search for plumbing, okay, let's see what we find. We will see several softwares here. Okay, what we will see now is this one here, the Cypeplumbing, the short name. Okay, because in this version, this software integrates the Cypeplumbing water system, the Cypeplumbing sanitary system, and the Cypeplumbing schematic diagrams. Okay, so with this software, you can do everything that is possible with this one, and this one in one software, in an integrated installation. Okay, so you do everything together here, and you can also have the same features that we have in OpenBIM layout. Okay, so the features that are available at OpenBIM layouts are now also integrated at Cypeplumbing. Okay, it's the same situation that happens with Cype architecture or with Turbine Steel or Cype Connect, that you have OpenBIM layout running embedded in those applications. Okay, so now at Cypeplumbing we have the same situation. Okay, so Cypeplumbing is running here. Let's open just to take a little tour in this new interface. Okay, if you have been working with Cypeplumbing sanitary systems or water systems in the past, the things here are very similar to those programs. The only difference is that now you can alternate between these disciplines without exiting this software. And when you save, you create your files, they will be always the same file. Okay, for example, here in the water system step, I will have some options that are related to water supply, because we are talking about water systems. Okay, so here we have the supply connection points, we have different feedings, we have the consumptions here. Okay, all the pipes, the same situation that was in the past in the Cypeplumbing water systems. Okay, here you can also define the general options, in this case, that are related to water systems. Okay, and here you can also get your diagrams. Okay, like this, the Cypeplumbing schematic diagrams that we saw before. Okay, here you can still have your bill of quantities of this installation. So this is everything similar to Cypeplumbing water system. Okay, if we jump from the water system step to the sanitary system, the situation it's the same, but in this case we are talking about sewage, we are talking about sanitary systems. Okay, you see that is the same model. Okay, let's open here the 3D model just to show you that is the same model. Okay, but now we are talking about sanitary systems. Okay, if we deactivate here the architectural model, you see the sanitary systems here. Okay, so in this case, here we have the specific tools for sanitary systems, and again we have the same tabs that we have been talking before. Okay, and there is a third tab, that is the layout tab, that is equivalent to the OpenBIM layout interface with the same system, where you can create your sheets in this area here. Okay, combining the files that were modeled and designed in the previous steps. It's the same situation that we have, as I said before, at Cype architecture. First you model, in this case you analyze, you design your installation, and then you can create these 3D scenes that you can then import here to this the sheets, okay, and create your sheets. Okay, so now you have much more options to extract the graphical documentation of your projects, for models, because the open BIM layout has been integrated here also at Cypeplumbing. Okay, probably in the next weeks we'll be doing some specific webinars to talk a little bit more about these integrations, both of them, Cypelec and Cypeplumbing, showing how to work, how you can use these softwares. Okay, the idea of this presentation today is just to point which are these new features and not show all the advantages of using these softwares in the integrated version. Okay, and just to finish this part, I would like to show you that if you have been working with those softwares that are separated, sanitary systems and water systems, you can use these buttons here to import from the previous versions the projects developed in the Cypeplumbing sanitary systems and Cypeplumbing water systems in this case. And if you go to the sanitary systems tab, you do the same and import from the Cypeplumbing sanitary systems in this case. Okay.